old Canon G7X because this one's duct taped together, but my new one, well not new, it's like a year old, is broken. The nails have fallen out. They've got these little nails on Canon G7X in the back and they just fall out. They're really unreliable. But anyway, welcome. We're gonna have a fun day together. I'm actually going into town now. So I'm gonna get some pret to eat because that's what we like here. There's this new salad they have and I absolutely love it. It's so textured. We all know I love texture. I just love texture in food. Like, it's got everything. And obviously the burrito place in town, we don't like to talk about it. It's gone, the burrito place. It's been shut down and I'm really sad about it because I can do with that, but there's literally no other burrito places. Maybe I should open my own burrito place. But I wouldn't actually know how to do it as good as other people do it. Everyone else does it so much better. Anyway, sorry, I'm rambling. I just love to talk. I can't help it. I just talk all the time. Do you know what I mean? It's just, the words just don't stop coming out of my mouth. We're gonna go in. It's rainy and cozy and it's been so hot. It's actually a pleasant welcome. Guys, let me just say, I absolutely hate parking, like with a passion. I've just parked next to a pillar for I think it's the first time. And basically the car park for the shopping centre, if you know it, it is the worst parking. They're literally this big, the car parking spaces, and I've managed to do it next to a pillar. All my friends know I always avoid a pillar. If possible, I just absolutely can't stand it, but I've done it. It's so weird, it's so humid. It's like cold but not cold, but muggy and all sorts up in this house. My friend lunch, and I also got myself. I got my absolute favourite at the moment. This is like categorically one of the best things. It's this, and it's got salmon, mango, coriander, onion, lime, avocado, and some cabbagey green stuff underneath. It is so good and actually filling because it's got a whole salmon thing in there. It's so yummy. I absolutely love it. And then I got my friend tuna baguette and a ginger shot. It was really weird because it kind of felt... I've never had that before. They're doing like a thingy where they speak. I've never ever experienced that. Oh my gosh, I wish I had a proper tripod for you in the car so we could have a nice little debrief. It kind of felt like Christmas vibes in town today. Just putting it out there, just putting the Christmas energy out into the atmosphere, okay? Also, really wanted a bubble tea, but they're about £3 something. And I thought if I'm buying myself a Pret salad, which is so expensive, probably shouldn't get the bubble tea as well. The lights from the car in front make it look like I'm in a horror film, and I don't like that, thank you. Oh my gosh, I've already been talking for 5 minutes. What is wrong with me? I have got up and I've edited this morning. Oh, wow, just want to say it. Also, I have been drying my hair with t-shirts at the moment. Apparently it's much less damaging to your hair to dry it with a t-shirt, so I've been doing that. And I'm about to have breakfast. It's a bit of a later one for me, which is quite unlikely. Am I feeling okay? Yes, it's just because I got in the zone with editing. I've also made a sourdough, but I think I'm going to go for... This was a pleasant surprise. What way should I cut it today? There are so many different ways. Obviously, could get the bagel guillotine out right here. Can you see the bagel guillotine? Right. But I'm thinking of cutting it how they cut it in. I don't know where it is. Basically, Carly Kloss put it on her story once. They cut it that way because then it's more area for toppings. And the reason why I want more area for toppings today is because I got my fave Hotel Chocolat spread. It's like a platter, I love it. Got my breakfast, and also I actually just want to talk about this Cath Kidston mug because I'm really sad because apparently Cath Kidston is going under, whatever that phrase is. What do you call that? Going bust? I don't know. And Cath Kidston mugs are the best. Like the best shape. This is a perfect amount of hot water. It's a perfect amount of roundness and a perfect amount of wideness, so it cools down enough when you drink from it. We're just going to the supermarket as we do best. We have our cousins coming this afternoon. So I'm gonna make some Kinder Bueno cookies. I hope they have Kinder Bueno. It says to put Kinder Bueno chocolate in there, but I don't know what that is. Those
those little fingers.
Do you think?
Yeah, that's Kinder chocolate.
Not sure.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, well we'll see when we
also
get...
it goes into little chunks.
Yeah.
Perfect little chunks.
Is there anything I need to update them on?
No,
I'm so tempted to buy that sushi.
you don't need it.
Oh no, that's what I was actually going to do when I get home. I was going to make spaghetti squash
Yum.
with pesto. Because we didn't use it the other day in that video that I did. Do you know what? I feel like someone needs to bring out a fun cereal. I feel like for years there's just not been... They need to up the cereal game in England, if I'm honest with you. Look at this, truffle mayo. This is calm porridge. I just don't really understand how porridge can be calm. If you had to pick a birthday cake from here, what one would you pick?
Probably
The caterpillar. He's iconic. Little Wiggles. Although I do actually always like the little tray bake.
they just remind me of the staff room.
And look at Sammy the sausage dog. He's cute. Sainsbury's is fantastic. I always want to try this, but I just don't know. I just don't know. These look fun. Sainsbury's has really got a lot of good new stuff, and I'm here for it. So, haul time. We've got the Kinder Bueno, the Kinder Chocolate, the pepperami and cheese snack pot for Chloe. Some bread flour for the sourdough, because I'm obsessed with making sourdough. Tomato and roasted garlic certain pasta sauce. However, I won't buy all the mayos, and I got this one to try. Hey guys, so we got back. I just FaceTimed my pal who's in Oslo, who I haven't been able to see in ages. I'm about to do the spaghetti squash. Let's see if this works. Right. I've been wanting to try this for years. So we're gonna see if they spaghetti it. Oh my gosh, it is!
Oh my gosh!
How cool is that? That is wild. I mean, it's not quite as spaghetti as I thought it would be. It is still, and I've got a few seeds in there, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna have it with this sauce, because we normally make our own sauces, but if I'm honest, I just couldn't be bothered. Okay, oh, she's steaming up. Here we go, time to try. It looks very interesting. I feel like I'm gonna need a sandwich. My face didn't look like my own face just then. Okay, here we go. That's not spaghetti. Might need to make that into a soup, Mum. The other half. Yeah. I'm just beating the egg, sugar and butter. And this is what they're supposed to look like. Oh, hello. I always use Jane's patisserie recipes and they're always really, really good. So, I now need to add all the dry ingredients. And then look at how much Kinder there is. This is crazy. Look at it. In case you ever wanted to know, the swirls on Kinder Buenos are all the same. Once the cookies have been frozen in little balls like this, she says you put 4 on a tray. Here they are in all of their glory. Look pretty good. Now, as you can see, I'm in a different venue right now. I don't know what the lighting's like, but my camera's broken. I don't know, figure it out or something, you know what I'm saying? I have no clue what's going on with life right now. But it's okay, because we don't have to have our lives figured out at 23. I've just finished house sitting. I'm actually about to leave the venue now. I've just fed the cats for the last time. And that's in the other vlog, if you watch the other vlog, I'm not sure. I'm about to go home, and I actually have a few deliveries, which is always fun. Let's get on with our day. I'm going to drive home now. Weird, because I haven't seen Mum and Dad. Getting a bit emosh. Why am I such a wet weasel? So I'm home now, and I've got a fun delivery from Vida Bakery. Princess, can you smell all the cats on us? Why does she get on with them? Who do you think she get on better with, Gracie or Charlie? Charlie. Right, I got from Vida Bakery these cookie doughs, so I'm about to test baking them. And what should we do, guys?
Bacon and caramel, I love that.
I actually think I've just gotten a delivery that was supposed to come in July, but I keep calling it Hermes. I never know what to call it. Hermes, whatever it's called, that company. It's gone missing 3 times. I'm just like, someone somewhere is thriving with their Hermes, whatever package that's called. So, this is my got right. Basically, I mean, I think this is what I'm opening. In a video a few weeks ago, put that I've got the Body Shop ginger root like thing for your scalp, and basically me and my sister love Body Shop. We can't get enough. Whenever we go in there, we get sucked in by the staff, and we always end up buying something. And I think we have to send it via Royal Mail. Oh my word, there is so much stuff in here, Chloe. Third time lucky perhaps. Hope you, Chloe, and your mum enjoy your long-awaited goodies. Stop that, Lucy.
So hold on, did she send more than
Three packages. Okay, first up we have Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. Ooh, richly replenishing hair mask for dry hair prone to damage. And at the moment, let me tell you, this hair is damaged. I haven't had haircuts in so long. Blissful bath and shower oil in gel. Tahitian. I can't say it. Oh my gosh, it really is. It's called Spa of the World, the scent, and it smells sparry. Stop, I can't believe. Thank you so much, Luke. This literally is the best Tahitian. Right, sorry, I'm not an English teacher, am I? Oh, something like. Okay, we have an exfoliating shea sugar body scrub. We love a body scrub, don't we? Almond milk body yogurt. Hello? We love the body yogurt. Haven't you always wanted to try?
I have tried it, I love it. It's really good.
And a muslin cloth to go with it.
It's really good, that cleanser.
Oh, we're gonna have
You
to.
should try it.
We're gonna have to divvy it out between me, you, and Mum.
Is there not a... Who has
not
banana. It's the banana, isn't it?
It's the banana bath blend. Hydrating bath foam. Every time we go, we're like, should we get the banana this time? Then normally there's another product that they suck us in with, so we never end up getting the banana. We've always wanted. No, you're naughty. Naughty. Chloe, this is ridiculous. I do not need this much. What the heck?
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
This is literally like the best day ever. Shea. I don't know how to say it.
I've always wanted one of those hand creams.
Have you? Hand cream.
Yeah.
That's really good for the bag, isn't it?
That is.
And at school your hands are going to be so dry because all the hand sanitizer. Skin clearing body wash. Tea tree for the old back knee. I'm not even joking, I was going to do an order the other day for this. I'm so excited because my SPF just ran out. And everyone said this is the Body Shop SPF is like the one that slaps.
Does it smell?
Wow, I'm not even joking. Mine's running out. I just want to say the biggest thank you specifically to Lucy because she's tried sending this 3 times and each time it's gone walkies. So someone somewhere in Hermes, how do you say it? Is that right? Hermes is thriving with a fat stack of Body Shop stuff. Excuse you.
Very good. Carry on.
What are you doing in here, Banks? What do you... So I've seen on TikTok so much this jar thing where basically they have a jar and they fill it with like snacks, and it just looks like something I've always wanted. And we're gonna start, so I need to find a jar and I'm gonna go to Poundland and to Costco to get some snacks for the jar. And it's like a sweet salty mix of delights. So it's got like pretzels, it's got like chocolate, it's like a trail mix scenario, and I just want to have one of those in the middle of our island where we're on the kitchen, because I just think that that's what our island is calling for. You know, it's literally like, Grace, you know, you want this in your life. And to be honest, I do. Every ounce of my being wants it. Okay, so we've got our nuts. Now I need to find a jar, and I feel like here's the right place. I don't think they're going to have one big enough, you know. Okie dokie. So they didn't have any jars in there. I got a few bits which I'll do a haul when I'm home, and I also found one of you guys sent me on Instagram these which were in Home Bargains. They're dairy free and they look like the texture looks impeccable, so we'll give them a go. They do have egg in for any vegans. I just thought these looked like a really nice snack. Annoying that they call it guilt-free Skinny Whip because nothing has guilt, okay? You shouldn't associate foods with guilt, okay? We're here at my favourite place and I realised I actually just did a happy dance at the prospect of Costco. I didn't realise how happy Costco makes me! I literally love it! Why do I love it so much? What element of you do I like? Let's break it down. Let's take it back to basics. When I was a child, no, I'm joking. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're gonna look for is a jar. Oh, we've literally found a jar. Doesn't look quite right. Where are they though? See, something like this with a lid would have been perfect. Like, how nice is that? Then we have these 3 jars, but they don't. Actually, this would have been perfect, this little jar. But I can't find it anywhere. Or just look how giant this. I want this last jar and I can't find it anywhere. It's all sold out, guys. What am I to do? Do you know what I mean? I spy Christmas. I've ended up getting a trolley. Oh my gosh, I literally look like the guy in Devil Wears Prada. Or is it Princess Diaries? It's the same guy, isn't it? Oh, I love that guy. He always plays a nice character. No, I love him. I actually love him as a character. He's really... Oh no, he's so sweet. I thought I'd also show you, Dad asked me to get some of these Dolce Gusto pods for his office. And I also got these for my sister's school because they're all going back to school now. So I thought it'd be nice for the teachers in the staff room. And they're individually packaged so you don't have to worry about COVID. So I think that'll be nice for them. And then we've obviously got all the other bits. Okay, I'm home now. Ow! And I thought I'd do a haul of everything that I got for the tub. This guy is iconic, and also they last for a really long time. This one's mainly for Dad because Jessie bought him some like chocolate cherry chocolate the other day, and Dad loved it, but he said, to be honest, I really like the cherries in it. And I found these tart cherries to kind of contrast the sweet and salty edge. Organic dark chocolate Belgian thins with toasted coconut. I really wanted the pretzel one, but they didn't have it. So I then got some flaked almonds for like a change in texture. And I also bought a nutty mix. This was all in pound now, by the way. And I bought some dark chocolate buttons, mini Oreos, because I feel like big ones wouldn't work in there. You want like a mini little, just a pop in your mouth, little skinny whip things. My cousin, who now lives in Australia, I can't wait to one day be reunited. Haven't seen them in about 4 years. I was gonna go this summer, and then COVID was like, no. And I used to babysit my cousin's child, and she always used to have this in her cupboard. And it's called Mini Max, although I think the one she had used to be called like Gillo Max or something, and it had slightly different shapes. But they're basically salty crackers, because in England you get these, but you get cheese versions. They're called like cheese savouries, and I can't obviously have those. But these are like little salty cracker shapes. At 99p for this tub. Oh my, that's taking me right back to when I used to babysit. I used to pog these down. So what a nice variety of things. Now, in Costco, they didn't have any tubs, which is upsetting. And I'm looking around the house trying to find if they have something better. But we're going to do a dry run with this. Put the snacks in here and put this on. Obviously, it's not aesthetically pleasing and it's not as big as I want it. But if we get on with the tub concept, then I can get a nicer one. But I don't want to invest in something that I don't know we're going to use forever and ever. I don't know if anyone else has seen those snack jars that people make. I've never seen an English one, so that was our mission today. I found this jar in my house, but I don't really like it, but it's what we're working with. Added these little savoury snacks, added some salt with the pretzels. I didn't actually like these are from Costco. Added some nuts, obviously for texture, you know, all about that texture. And then we added mini Oreos, because I didn't want to put big ones in, and Dad loves these tart cherries. So I added some of those in and topped it off with the little savoury snacks. Mixed it all together so we can put it back in the jar, and it's like a full mix of everything in one handful. And then, because I don't like the jar, I added a little label on it, Grack snacks. Woohoo! How beautiful is it? Put a little label on it and it looks beautiful. I love it. Anyone can just come in and help themselves to a little snack. I feel like I need to do a variation on this. I need to do different colours. This has made me so excited to eventually get my own home, and then I can get like I can't wait to organise my own pantry and have loads of jars, and it'd be fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that vlog, even if it was really all over the place. I hope that it brought you a little smile today. Love you all loads. See you again soon.